I started my career in Tata Steel. That was about 31 years in Tata Steel. And then I moved to SR, then SR Steel in Odisha. And then to Brahmani River Pellets Ltd, where I spent about 6 years, out of which 2 years was as Managing Director. Before that, I was a Chief Operating Officer. And now, last 1.5 years, I am with Lloyd Metal, doing projects. Just before this beneficiation project, we had done a small 25 crore project in pellet plant on grinding system. And that project had gone off for a long time. Although it was a smaller project, but it had taken much more time than this one, which was quite a sizable project for the people who were there. Also applied critical chain concept into project management, and is known as critical chain project management. And we saw immense benefit out of it. And not only in projects, we also brought that concept into managing the shutdowns and the major shutdowns. And it gave us immense benefit, because this concept or this tool brought everybody together on the same platform, look at things, look at the issues jointly and solve them jointly. Not only one person looks at the problems that he is going to face, but he or she would look at the problems that others would going to face and appreciate each other's challenges and solve the challenges jointly and come at a common timelines. So that is the starting point of critical chain project management that I saw it. Why did we take a stretch target? This tool helped us to calculate what will be the saving per day if we implement this project. And we found the saving was almost, for a small company like ours, 3,000 crore was the turnover. The saving was almost 1 crore per day, which was more than the EBITDA of the previous year. So we saw that value. And some of us, including me, we said there's nothing more important than doing this, which can improve the EBITDA levels, or it could give us an edge in difficult times where other companies will not be able to do it. So that is the reason we all committed to that. And this covered the entire gamut of the business, from finance to costing to ordering to supply to get the drawings from the suppliers. All that was covered. The initial estimates were certain months. We took a challenging stretch of about 30% over that, if I remember correctly. My colleagues were very skeptical to start with, but when they saw the value, we all went. In fact, the realization team themselves also said that the stretch is too much. But we said, no, let's go ahead and do it. And the team helped us in identifying the bottlenecks on a regular basis. What is most important in this exercise is the commitment of the top management. Not only you have the tool or the software, you also have the reports, and the reports generated by the realization software was very precise, one-page report, and it would tell us exactly where to focus for the next day, for that day, for the next day, for the next week or next month. So mostly people follow MS project, that is one, and Primavera, the other one. But it does not cover the entire gamut of project management. It has very little input from the procurement side, which is a big thing, and also cost and finance is not covered in that. So that is one big lacuna that we have in the MS project. MS project, anybody knowing Excel can do that. In fact, if you do it on the Excel sheet, is much better than doing on an MS project. Sorry to say that, but it does not cover the entire gamut of the project management. So that is a problem with the tools that we use in India. And I had seen this in Tata Steel when we did critical change project management for projects and major shutdowns and relining, all that work. We would do it diligently. Other thing is, MS project does not bring the communication and the team work that is needed to do the project. What happens is everyone is in their domain and they keep doing the work. This is one tool which brings everybody together, and it surfaces, it looks at the linkages between the different activities of different people, and that chain is formed. So everybody comes to the same platform, and they have, all of them have the same objective. Even if there is a dilemma or a problem here and there, everybody looks at it together and with an objective to solve the problem. Earlier days, our company or other companies would start the project assuming that it will end here, but where it will end, nobody knows. It goes on and on and on and on. Here we could see the light at the end of the tunnel and properly calculated. The estimates, the estimates were calculated estimates that yes, it will happen. It focuses down to that level and surfaces much in advance, where you could take corrective action at the right time. BRPL has benefited immensely because of realization tool. LSS CCPM. Realization is a means of doing it. And realization has good capable people to do that work. This project not only gave the company a right path forward, it also built the team, and the team would look things differently, but they would all of them would look in the same direction, in the same pathway, that this is the path we have to take. And it was a very good teamwork. It enhanced the capability of the team. It enhanced the cross working of the team, and the communication also improved a lot among the people. So overall, the organization has gained something, has learned something for a long time to come. And I would say it's an irreversible process. Once you went ahead, you don't look at other things. You look at the same direction with the same zeal and effort.